Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to search for a specific emoji in WhatsApp web on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. Step 2. Once you're logged in to WhatsApp web, select a chat where you want to search for a specific emoji. This could be an individual chat or a group chat. Step 3. At the bottom of the chat interface, click on the smiley face icon. This will open up the emoji panel. Step 4. Now, on the top of the emoji panel, you'll find a search bar. Click on it to activate the search function. Step 5. Enter the name of the emoji you're looking for in the search bar. As you type, WhatsApp will display relevant emojis matching your search query. By following these 5 simple steps, you can easily search for a specific emoji in WhatsApp web on your PC. This feature can help you quickly find and use the perfect emoji to express yourself in your chats. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.